Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 1 minus 15 is equal to minus 14. Then again 1 minus 15 is equal to minus 14. Okay, now minus 14 multiply minus 14 is equal to 196. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So is equal to 1 minus 15. Now solve this parenthesis. 1 minus 15 is equal to minus 14. So multiply minus 14. Okay. Now according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve this multiplication. Okay. So is equal to now 1, then now minus 15 multiply minus 14 is equal to plus 210. Okay. So now 1 plus 210 is equal to 211. So the correct answer is 211. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.